to all the cute boys and girls sitting over there. Welcome to one more cool episode of Cool Guru Cool. Today is cooking session. That means we are going to try some basic fireless recipes, but obviously under the guidance of any elder nearby. And before entering into a kitchen, you have to follow all the kitchen safety rules, like you'll not go near the gas, you'll not go near the switches, you'll not touch any sharp knives, and you'll always wear an apron while cooking. So let's wear the apron first. Now I have worn an apron and I am ready for cooking. Today we are going to see how to make delicious sandwiches. Do you all like to eat sandwiches? Yes, then you'll surely love the procedure of making a sandwich. So let's quickly see what all ingredients we require to make a sandwich. To make sandwiches, we will require bread, chopped onions, chopped capsicum. This is sandwich spread, and this is butter, chopped tomatoes, and a cheese slice. Okay, so we saw the ingredients. Now let's see the procedure. So first you have to take a bread and apply this butter over it. This is butter knife. You can use this because this is not sharp. So I am applying this butter evenly on both the slices. After applying butter, we will use this sandwich spread and spread it over the bread slice evenly. I have applied the sandwich spread over both the breads, and now I will spread this chopped onions, then chopped capsicum, capsicum is little spicy, so you can avoid it also, and then chop tomatoes. See how colorful it is looking? Beautiful, right? Now you can put some little pinch chaat masala. And then my favorite, and after the cheese slice, we will put this bread slice and press it slightly. If you want, you can cut the edges of the bread, but I like it, that's why I will not cut. Now, with the help of any elder nearby, you can cut this sandwich in 2 or 4 parts. The sandwich is ready. You can garnish it with some grated cheese and tomato sauce. Your sandwich is ready. Now it's rhyme time, and you all have to sing with me. Let's start the rhyme. What's in your sandwich? Cucumber, tomatoes. What's in your sandwich? Onion, potatoes. Here you go, here you go. It's for you. You'll really love it. Here you go, here you go. It's for you. Take a bite from it. What's in your sandwich? Tasty veggies. What's in your sandwich? peanut butter and cheese. Here you go, here you go, it's for you. You really love it. Here you go, here you go, it's for you. Take a bite from it. Yummy, yummy sandwich. I really, really loved it. Thank you for the sandwich. It's totally worth it. So this was all about the Flameless cooking session in Cool Gurukul. We will meet next time to have lot more fun. Till then, keep enjoying and don't forget to share, subscribe and like all the videos. Have fun. Bye bye.